Welcome to the Funeral Program site, home of the largest selection of DIY templates, printed memorials, and personalized in loving memory keepsake products. In this video, we will share how to make a funeral prayer card. Before we get started, please take a moment to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Doing so enables us to continue making valuable content to equip you during a time of loss. A funeral prayer card are small remembrance cards measuring 2.25 inches wide by 4.25 inches high and are typically distributed at a wake or visitation service. The purpose of prayer cards is to remember and reflect upon a loved one who has passed by prayer or reflection. Prayer cards are convenient in size and can be carried in a purse or wallet. The handout of this printed memorial is not limited to the wake or visitation service. It can also be given out during the funeral or graveside service. You can create a funeral prayer card from scratch or by using a ready-made template. If you want to make it from scratch, some setup work is required prior to entering your information. You will first need to determine the cut lines for each prayer card. Typically, prayer cards are formatted on a letter sheet of paper with 8 cards per sheet. Each card will need to be cut for separation after printing. Next, open the software you want to use and place your ruler line for each cut line. You will need to set up the software document for the front and back of the prayer card. Once you have the format completed, you can add in the other elements such as the background, text, and photo boxes. It is important that you are very familiar with the software prior to starting your layout to avoid or minimize any technical issues that may arise. Setting up a funeral prayer card layout from scratch can be time-consuming and complicated since there are multiples on a sheet. If you'd like to get a jump start on the process, utilizing a funeral prayer card template is by far the best option. The Funeral Program site offers ready-to-use prayer card templates available for immediate download. We've taken care of the technical setup, 8 cards per sheet and background design, so all you need to do is begin entering your text and photo. Our online superstore is fully stocked with DIY funeral prayer card templates, as well as other printed memorials. Check us out and see our collections, only available at thefuneralprogramsite.com.